Nowadays a common trend is many people they are making videos based on cooking cat or like cooking dog or cats or dogs. They are doing something, they are making this animation. So these all are created by using AI. So in this video I'm going to show you the step by step process to generate this type of video. It's very simple and easy. You just need to follow some steps and then only you will get this type of output and this type of view. So here there are 5 steps are involved. I will explain each step one by one in detail. These are the 5 steps. At first we will generate some prompts to create the image. Then using those prompt we will generate the image in the second step. The third step is to convert those images to video. The fourth step is download the music or sound for those video. And finally the last step is to edit the final video by combining or adding with sound effects. So let's see how we can do this quickly. Let's start with the step 1 to generate the prompts for our images. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, but you can use Gemini or some other tool also. Here I see the prompt is there. I already write over here so that it will be faster tutorial. You can get the exact prompt from the video description below. You can copy and you can use this prompt to generate the image. Once you write the exact prompt like this or similar prompt like this, it's time to press the enter key. Once you press the enter key, what will happen? This prompt will give us 5 scenario, because I mentioned here 5 scenario. If you want 10 scene, you need to mention 10 scene. So here it is showing all the 5 scene one by one. Now it's time to save this prompt or to use this prompt. So I will use each prompt to generate the image. I'm going to copy this thing, and then this is the website I will use to create the image. You can access this website PicLumen freely, and you have to go piclumen.com, and then you will be here. Here we just need to click the image to generate the image, and here we need to paste the prompt. Once we paste the prompt, we just need to click this blue color icon to generate the image. Here it is showing like 1 credit is required to generate this image. So I'm going to click here and let's see whether it will generate the image or not. So what we did, we just came to this website, then we clicked on the image to generate the image, then we paste it, and then finally we click the generate button to generate it, and now it is generated. Here I am going to zoom it so that it looks nicer. Now here check the description right side, there are a couple of things are there we need to check. So here one important thing is the seed number. So here I see the seed number, this is required. I am telling you why it is required. So here I am going to generate image like one by one, but I want to use the same cat picture. That's why I'm going to use the seed number so that it will generate the same like same type of image by using that seed, that cat. So I need to enable it. Then I'm going to paste the seed number. I'm going to paste it. Now we can close thing by pressing this button. So I'm going to click here to close this thing, and it will be giving us this type of warning. I'm going to press the OK button. So in this way I have to generate all the other images. So I'm not going to show you step by step again, because it is the same repetitive way. You need to generate the image. You just need to copy the prompt, you just need to paste it, and then you need to press the generate button to generate the image, and you have to keep waiting. So in this way I'm going to create the rest of the images for this video. Once I generated all the images, it is looking like this. So see here I generated 5 images and it is looking like this. So one more thing, if the image doesn't give you the expected output, you need to regenerate by using the same prompt or by tweaking the same prompt again. So once the image is ready, it's time to download all of them. So I'm going to download all of them one by one. We will generate the videos right now. I'm using a Google Studio and the View model, so you can use this model to generate the video. So I'm going to click this media, this part, and then from here I'm going to choose view or view, whatever you want to say. So I'm going to click here to generate text like image to video and prompt also. So it will bring this type of window. Now here what we need to do, we need to attach the image. We can drag it. No, it is not working, so manually we need to upload the image. I'm going to click there and I'm going to upload the image from my computer which we saved before. I'm going to upload this image. Here I'm attaching it. Now we just need to come to the prompt. We need to copy the first prompt, and then we have to come here, and then we need to paste it over here, and finally we just need to press this run button to generate the video. So click here. Okay, so sometimes you will see this type of message that it is unable to generate like this. So you have to keep pressing like couple of times till the video is started generating. Now see here, like 3-4 times trying, we are seeing that the video generation process is started, and here we see the message that the video is generated. So if you don't able to generate with first try, just click couple of times, and here you will see the video will start generating very shortly, and it will take some time. Like it can take like 1 minute. So far I saw sometimes it also takes less time, but it depends. And once the video is created successfully, then you can see the preview. And right side there are a couple of options are there, like what type of videos you are going to choose. So here you can choose any of these two format. Right now they are supporting like YouTube or YouTube short format both, so you can choose any of them. So this way basically you can tune the model before you start generating, because right now it will give you like 9:6, like 16:9 ratio this thing, this video. So here I see based on the image the video is generated. So I'm going to play this thing, and here I see yes, the cat is doing grocery. It is showing like that, and it's nice. So in this way we created the first clip for our scene of our like kitten cooking video or cat cooking video or anything like that. Same way I'm going to do this thing, but before going to do the next step, I'm going to save it here. If I don't save, it will be removed. So I'm going to save it, and then now in the next step I'm going to remove the image, and I'm removing the prompt also. I will do the same steps again and again for all other images, and I will use the same prompt to generate the video. I attach the second image, then I'm going to copy the prompt from the second like ChatGPT generated prompt. Then I'm going to hit the run button, and here I see that it is started generating, and it will take time to generate the video. So in the same way you have to do the repetition. You need to like generate all other videos also same way by using those clips. To add some like music, background music or music, you can use this website Pixivay, and here you can search by background music. You can choose this background music and you can download it. You can add this thing with your video clip. Okay, but you can also use CapCut to do this thing. So this is the last step. We need to like add all this thing together, like video, everything all together, video, clip, then music, and do some editing. So I'm going to open CapCut, and then here I'm going to click this create project, this button to open the project. It will create a blank new project where we can do all the editing. Now CapCut will be open shortly. It takes few seconds to open. Once it is open, now it's time to add or import all the video clips here. So I'm going to drop it here and see here it is imported everything. It will take few seconds. Now here I see 3 clips. I didn't generate all the clips because it takes some time, but my goal was to show you how to do this thing. Now here I'm going to drag one by one video here. This is the timeline. So each clip I'm going to organize like this way. I'm going to add one by one based on the sequence. So you will follow your own sequence, whatever you want to do. And now here I see all the video clips are there. Now it's time to edit this thing. We can add some transition or effect also, or we can also add some music from here also. Here in the audio library of CapCut, you will find there are millions of like background music or sounds are there. Like this is a cat video or kitten video, right? We can use some background like soft music. We can add those music like that, and whatever portion you need, you can choose that portion in the time frame. and you can cut the audio clip and you can remove the rest of the audio clip. So if you don't know how to work with CapCut, very short, like very small tutorial I also added on my YouTube channel. You can check those things. It will definitely, it will help you to do whatever you are doing. It's not a lengthy video, but it has step by step video, small clip like video, bite size video you can consume very easily and you can learn very easily. Now I'm going to use some other the funny sound like meow sound. So I already added this thing. Once everything is done, now it's time to export it. So I'm happy with this export, with this editing. This thing I completed successfully. Now I'm going to change the ratio. We can change the ratio like 9:16 or 16:19, 19 or 16, something like that. We can change from here. Now I'm going to merge all the clips together so that it will be easier to increase the size or something like that. We can also adjust like the position of the video clip where we want to focus. And once we did this thing, we can also do preview here by sliding the timeline, sliding the cursor in the timeline. You can also do this thing. Now finally it's time to export. I'm going to export this video. We can name it, and then there is a button. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will start exporting this thing. Here this is the status bar that it is going to export. And once this export is done, we can close it because we don't need it. I'm going to open the export location where it is saved. So this is the video. I'm going to close this thing, and then I'm going to check the preview of this video. So here this is the video, and here I see this video is playing, and also there is music. I'm not sure whether you will be able to hear the music because I am talking with this mic, like whichever I'm using to record the voice. So I'm not sure whether you will be able to see hear this music or not, but that's the final output. So in this way you can easily create a kitten cooking video or dog cooking video or whatever you want in your mind. You can generate the picture, and based on that you can make the video clips, and then finally using CapCut you can modify it or do some editing, and you can also add some sound. All these sounds are free, so you can use it. There is no copyright earning, and this is the site where you can generate the image based on your prompt. So that's it. By watching this video, I hope that you will be able to produce those type of trendy kitten or cat cooking video or cooking dog cooking video or something like that. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or problem, just put it in the comment section.